Welcome to Phase 2, Day 10 of our training. Today we're focusing on lower body strength to build power from the ground up. Your lower body is your power base, containing the largest muscles in your body. Training these muscles is essential for maximum calorie burn, a healthy hormonal response, and total body stability. Remember the beginner rulebook. Focus on control, master the tension, and don't just move weights. Prioritize form, as safety is the shortcut to results. And be steady, because small weekly wins lead to big transformations. Results are Our first exercise is the goblet squat. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps, targeting the quads, glutes, and core. Remember to keep your chest up and imagine screwing your feet into the floor for stability. Next up is the Romanian deadlift, with 3 sets of 10 reps. This targets the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Keep the weights tight to your shins and hinge at the hips until you feel a deep stretch. Move on to walking lunges, doing 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. This exercise targets the quads, glutes, and balance. Make sure to take long enough steps so your front knee doesn't collapse past your toes. Our final exercise is standing calf raises, with 3 sets of 15 reps, focusing on the calves and lower leg strength. Hold the contraction at the top for 1 full second, then lower under total control. Day 10 is complete. You're halfway through. Tomorrow, we focus on core stability and endurance. Please look for our next video to continue the program. Here are the image sources used in this video.